Tired of muffled audio and background noise undermining your streams? The right mic transforms your broadcast, delivering crystal clear vocals and pro-level polish. In today's roundup, we'll test 5 top gaming and streaming microphones to find the perfect one for your voice. Let's dive in. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have AKG Ara, the best budget microphone for streaming. Ready to elevate your streaming game? Check out the AKG Ara. This budget USB microphone stands out with exceptional plug-and-play performance, making setup a breeze. You'll appreciate how easily it integrates into your existing gear, allowing you to focus on creating great content. One of the best advantages of the AKG Ara is its sturdy build. Durable materials promise to protect the microphone from accidental drops or bumps. This reliability gives you peace of mind, especially during intense streaming sessions. Clear audio quality is another major plus. Compared to similarly priced models, the Ara delivers crisp sound, ensuring your audience hears you loud and clear without any fuss. While some background noise might slip through, it's manageable with audio software. Frequent movement, like adjusting your desk setup, may introduce some sounds, but this can easily be addressed in post-production. Just think of it as an opportunity to refine your audio editing skills. What I love most is how ready to use the AKG Ara is out of the box. Just plug it in and you're good to go. This feature saves time and helps you get into the flow of streaming without the hassle of complex setups. The AKG Ara serves as the best budget microphone for streaming due to its robust build, excellent sound quality, and easy usability. Up next, a plug-and-play budget champ that delivers broadcast-level clarity with zero fuss. At number 4, we have Shure MV6, the best USB microphone for streaming. Capture your best streaming moments with the Shure MV6. This USB microphone stands out as the top choice for aspiring content creators. Building on the legacy of Shure's high-end mics, it delivers professional quality sound without breaking the bank. One major pro is its stunning design, reminiscent of the iconic SM7dB, aimed at gamers and streamers alike. The MV6 provides an immediate sense of credibility to your setup. With a dynamic capsule, you'll enjoy crystal clear audio, especially when you maintain good mic etiquette. This helps produce sound that resonates with viewers. Another highlight is its 3.5mm audio jack. This feature allows for live monitoring, letting you hear game audio without delay. No need to buy extra gear to get that essential functionality. The included stand wind guard also enhances recording quality by minimizing unwanted noise. While the USB cable is shorter than ideal, it encourages creative setups. Use your space wisely, and this can lead to innovative mic placements that work better for your streaming environment. Plus, the Motive Mix app offers valuable tools like a digital popper stopper, enhancing your production even further. What I love most is how versatile the MV6 is. It shines in both casual and professional settings. Every recording sounds impressive, making it one of the best options out there for streamers. Stick around for the dynamic studio-inspired mic that blends iconic design with real-time monitoring features. Still searching for the perfect microphone for streaming? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Rode PodMic USB, the best Rode microphone for streaming. Ready to elevate your streaming game? The Rode PodMic USB stands out as a top contender for anyone serious about audio quality. This microphone rivals more established models like the Shure MV6 offering a blend of performance and accessibility that impresses. First, the sound quality truly shines. Expect crisp, clear vocals with remarkable presence. This dynamic microphone excels at capturing your voice while filtering out unwanted background noise. You'll notice the difference during live streams, making your content sound professional and polished. Another fantastic feature is the included windsock sleeve. It effectively reduces plosives without compromising audio clarity. This ensures that every word you speak comes through loud and clear. Plus, the PodMic USB's USB-C connection makes it incredibly user-friendly for anyone wanting to plug and play. While the internal shock mount is a great addition, it's good to know that some desk bumps may still affect audio. However, this can easily be managed with a little extra care in your setup. What I love most about the PodMic USB is its versatility. You can use it as a USB mic today and transition to an XLR setup tomorrow. That future-proofing aspect means you won't need to invest in a new mic down the line, making it a smart choice for budget-conscious streamers. Coming up, the USB powerhouse that filters out background noise and future-proofs your streaming setup. At number 2, we have SteelSeries Alias, the best premium microphone for streaming. Upgrade your streaming game with the SteelSeries Alias. After extensive testing, it's clear why this premium gaming microphone stands out from the crowd. First, its stunning design enhances any setup, adding a splash of style. One of the best features is the LED display that shows your gain level. With this visual guide, you easily avoid going red and maintain optimal audio quality. It makes the setup process hassle-free, especially during live streams. Additionally, a touch-sensitive button lets you mute the microphone smoothly. When you're in the flow, this peace of mind is crucial. A small ring of RGB lighting adds a nice touch without being overbearing. This subtle illumination can seamlessly blend with your other peripherals, enhancing the aesthetic of your workspace. Moreover, the accessible gain dial allows quick adjustments, keeping your sound just right. While sound quality is impressive, it can be slightly on par with budget models after some tweaking. However, the SteelSeries Alias delivers a clean, precise audio experience straight out of the box. This makes it worthwhile for anyone seeking top-notch performance without countless adjustments. What I appreciate most is its premium feel and solid build. It's clear that SteelSeries invested in high-end materials. Though this microphone is an investment, it truly elevates your streaming experience. And don't miss the premium streamer's dream with intuitive LED gain controls and silky smooth muting. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Shure SM7dB, the best microphone for streaming overall. Say hello to the Shure SM7dB, the ultimate microphone for streaming enthusiasts. This gem builds on the legendary SM7dB, introducing an internal preamp that boosts your signal by an impressive plus 28 decibels. It elevates your sound quality, making this mic a top choice for professionals who demand excellence. One standout feature is its sleek design. With a classy appearance, it fits beautifully into any setup, enhancing your streaming aesthetic. You'll notice a bit more branding, but it maintains that iconic Shure look. This mic is slightly longer than its predecessor, ideal for mounting on boom arms without blocking your monitor. Performance truly shines here. The cardioid pattern captures sound with precision. I found that positioning yourself about 6 inches away yields the best audio. This mic rewards those who practice good mic etiquette, making it easier to achieve that professional polish compared to USB-C alternatives. In testing, I enjoyed the hassle-free experience of not needing external devices. If you ever struggled with gain levels on the SM7dB, the internal preamp resolves that concern. However, be mindful of distance for optimal results. Getting close can enhance sound warmth. What I love most is its exceptional audio clarity, which sets you apart in crowded streaming fields. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best microphones for streaming. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which microphone for streaming you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.